How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to this episode of Restorations with Vic. What I have on my table today is something that you guys have been asking for literally for years. My first restoration on YouTube on a pair of Air Jordan 11s. As you can see, this shoe needs a lot of work. We're gonna go in using our Reshoevn8r products to get this shoe fully cleaned up inside and out, and we're also gonna go in depth on how to remove the yellowing off these soles. We got some work, guys, so let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is put the right shoe on the side for before and after purposes. Next, we're gonna take out our shoelaces and insoles and insert our adjustable Reshoevn8r shoe tree and adjust it to size. All prepped, ready to go. Next step is to grab our Reshoevn8r Advanced solution and pour a couple of squirts into our bowl. Good to go. Now let's grab our soft bristle brush. We're gonna dunk it in our water and solution and just start hammering the uppers. Uppers are cleaning up nicely, you guys. As you can see, the panel leather is coming back to white. Same thing with the leather. The strips though still need a little bit more work. So we're gonna continue using the soft bristle brush on those areas and the tongues and the insides of the shoe. All done cleaning up the mesh and the inside of the shoe. Before we put this brush away, we're gonna clean up these insoles. All done with the insoles and all done with the soft bristle brush. From the looks of it, the panel leather and the leather looks pretty clean, so we're just gonna skip the medium bristle brush and go straight to the stiff bristle. We're gonna use that to clean up these midsoles and soles. All done scrubbing the outsoles using the stiff bristle brush. This shoe is fully pre-treated. Before we put the shoes inside the single laundry bag, we gotta grab our shoelaces, quickly pre-treat them inside our leftover solution, inside the bowl. All right, all done with that. Let's grab our laundry bag, grab our semi-clean shoe, hit the wash. Time for the wash. Let's go ahead and put these Legend Blue 11s inside the washing machine. Grab our Reshoevn8r Sneaker Laundry Detergent. Squeeze and pour 1 full ounce. Guys, whenever you clean a pair of shoes inside the washing machine, use cold water with the regular cycle. We're back, YouTube. We got the shoe at the washing machine. As you can see, the panel leather is back to white. Same thing with the midsoles. The leather looks great. The biggest surprise for me is the mesh tabs and the tongue. When I was cleaning the shoe, it was super dingy and yellow. I wasn't sure how easy it was gonna clean up, but after one wash, the shoe is back to fully white thanks to our 3-brush advanced sneaker laundry system that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. Now moving on with this restoration, we gotta remove the yellowing off the soles. A lot of you guys have been asking me to go in depth on this step, so that's what we're gonna do now. The first thing you need to know is what type of yellowing you're dealing with. It either comes from wear and tear or age. This Jordan 6 is a great example of yellowing from wear and tear. The brown and orange color is a dead giveaway. Soles only get to be that color from heavy use. On top of that, all the creasing, scuffs, and holes on the uppers tells you that this shoe's been through a lot. At this point, you might be out of luck. Over here on the 11s, the soles still have a blue tint to them. This means the yellowing is more likely caused by age. Plus, the uppers are still in pretty good condition, so it looks like these soles have a good chance of returning to the original icy look. Now that we know what type of yellowing we have, let's go over what we need. We need saran wrap, gloves, paintbrush, tape, and Saloncare 40. The very first step you gotta do before you apply the Saloncare 40 is to tape off the traction pads to avoid damaging these areas. When that's ready to go, pour a little bit of Saloncare 40 into the cap and use a paintbrush to apply a thick, even coat all around the soles. Be very careful applying this stuff near the midsoles or the uppers because the chemicals can easily destroy certain materials. After the coat is applied, take a piece of saran wrap and place it over the soles. This step helps keep the Saloncare 40 from drying up during the unyellowing process. Good to go with that. Saloncare 40 is fully applied. Now the next step, we need some UV rays. A good source for that? The sun. But it's a little cloudy right now, so we're gonna go back inside and use my indoor setup. Over here, I've had my box for a few years. All it consists of is a box, mirrors, and of course, my Mars grow light. Looks really good. This shoe's been inside the indoor setup for exactly 7 days, so whenever you're satisfied with the results, you're gonna wanna head over to the sink and wash off all the Saloncare 40 and remove the tape. As you can see right here, there is a little bit of yellowing near the traction pod areas, but I'm sure if I would have put the shoe inside the indoor setup for another 2 weeks, we could have got this sole super icy blue. But with how it looks right now compared to how it used to look, you guys, I am super satisfied. So that's gonna wrap it up on this full video on these Legend Blue 11s. As you can see, this shoe cleaned up super good. Over here, this shoe's atrocious, you guys. Inside and out, it's sticky, there's grime all over it, it's dirty, it stinks. Over here, this is what it should look like, thanks to our 3-brush Advanced Sneaker Laundry System and our detergent. In addition to that, we also went in and got these soles fully iced up. As you can see, clear before and after, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it educational. This is Vick Almighty. I'll see you guys next Monday.